Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to add the Rakuten extension to your Microsoft Edge browser. If you're a savvy shopper looking to score cashback on your online purchases, Rakuten is a game changer. It's that simple tool that helps you earn rewards without any extra effort. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the steps in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have Microsoft Edge installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the Microsoft website to download it quickly. Once you're all set, open up Edge and let's get started. Step 1. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your Edge browser. This opens the menu. Hover over Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Alternatively, you can type edge://extensions directly into your address bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the Extensions page where all the magic happens. Step 2. In the Extensions menu, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Rakuten and hit Search. Look for the official Rakuten extension. It's usually from the verified publisher. Once you find it, click on the Get or Add to Chrome button. Wait, Edge? Yep, Edge supports extensions from the Chrome Web Store, so this works seamlessly. Step 3. You'll get a prompt asking for permission to add the extension. Just review the details quickly and click Add Extension. Edge might ask you to confirm or pin it to your toolbar. Go ahead and do that for easy access. After it's installed, you might need to restart Edge or refresh the page. Now, to make sure it's working, head over to a shopping site like Amazon or Walmart. You should see a Rakuten icon pop up, ready to activate cashback offers. And there you have it. That's all it takes to add Rakuten to your Edge browser. You're now set to start saving money on your everyday shopping. If you run into any issues, double-check your browser settings or visit the Rakuten help page. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.